Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are bench programming this Range Rover 2019, which is EDC17CP55 ECU. We are doing auto tuner bench programming, and ECU is down here under the bonnet on the passenger side front. It's a little fiddly, but it is better than taking the ECU out. You can do it here. Yeah, this ECU is EDC17CP55 TC1793 ECU. We just complete the writing procedure, as you can see in green. The ECU has been successfully flushed. We're the masters on these vehicles. We have many of these. You can reach me on 07533636194 with your DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, power loss, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues. We are the masters, like I said, and we are located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode is Tango November 16 2 Echo Tango. My telephone number is 07533636194. Please reach out to me with your problems. I'll do my best to help you out. And we are also Ghost Immobiliser Fitting Center.